Are dealerships really offering cars at 80% off? Sounds like a dream deal, right? But is it really the bargain of a lifetime? Or is something much bigger happening in the auto industry? Let's uncover the jaw-dropping truth behind these massive discounts. From overproduced trucks to luxury sedans no one wants, dealers are sitting on mountains of unsold inventory. And while the markdowns are tempting, there's a catch you need to know before signing on the dotted line. Which models are being discounted the most? Why are they failing to sell? And how can you make the most of these unprecedented deals? Let's start by looking at some luxury vehicles that have unexpectedly hit rock bottom. BMW i7, a luxury sedan, struggles to shine. The BMW i7, positioned as the flagship electric sedan for BMW, was supposed to set a new standard for luxury and innovation. With a sticker price north of $128,000, this high-end EV promised cutting-edge features and top-tier elegance. Instead, it's turned into a sales nightmare, with nearly 2 years' worth of unsold inventory piling up. The main culprit? Its polarizing design. The oversized grille, a departure from BMW's traditionally understated aesthetic, has left even die-hard fans divided. Then there's the driving range, just over 318 miles per charge. While decent, it pales compared to competitors offering over 350 miles, a crucial factor for EV buyers. BMW XM, high expectations, low returns. BMW's XM, a hybrid luxury SUV with a jaw-dropping $159,000 price tag, tells a similar story of overreach. Designed to blend high-performance engineering with SUV practicality, the XM hasn't resonated with buyers. With unsold inventory sitting for an average of 544 days, it's clear the model has missed its mark. Its aggressive, unconventional design feels too far removed from the sleek aesthetic BMW enthusiasts expect. Even loyal fans are hesitant to commit. As one buyer noted, the XM is so niche, even die-hard BMW fans can't justify it. BMW 5 Series and Jaguar XF, icons in trouble. Even classic luxury sedans aren't immune to the shifting tides. Take the BMW 5 Series, once synonymous with sophistication and reliability. Today, it's grappling with a staggering 387-day supply of unsold inventory. Recalls on critical components like steering and braking systems have tarnished its reputation, while the rise of SUVs has siphoned off buyers. For a car starting at $65,000, these reliability concerns are a deal-breaker for many. Similarly, the Jaguar XF, a symbol of British luxury, now feels outdated in an EV-focused market. Jaguar's pivot to becoming an all-electric brand has cast a shadow over the XF, making it seem like an afterthought in their lineup. Buyers are understandably hesitant to spend nearly $60,000 on a model that may soon be obsolete. Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV, losing ground. Once a shining star in Hyundai's lineup, the Tucson is now battling to stay relevant. Despite its advanced safety features and industry-leading warranty, the Tucson is struggling to stand out in a crowded compact SUV market. The issue? Lack of differentiation. Buyers are spoiled for choice, with competitors offering more innovative designs and features. Nissan Rogue, from bestseller to burden. The Nissan Rogue, once a family favorite, has hit a wall. Overproduction and outdated design have turned this former bestseller into a dealership headache, with inventory levels climbing to a 120-day supply. In a fiercely competitive SUV market, the Rogue's uninspired updates have failed to impress. Rising gas prices and high interest rates haven't helped, pushing buyers to scrutinize every dollar. The Rogue, once a dependable choice, no longer offers enough value to stay ahead. Mini Cooper four-door dealers are pulling out all the stops to breathe life into the Mini Cooper four-door, offering steep discounts to attract buyers who prioritize style over functionality. While these markdowns may entice some, the car's future looks uncertain in a market increasingly dominated by practical, compact SUVs. It seems the Mini's charm just isn't enough to win over utility-focused buyers anymore. Fiat 500 Electric. The Fiat 500 Electric aimed to electrify the market with its Italian flair and city-friendly size, but has stumbled out of the gate in the US, with over 1,000 units sitting unsold, representing a staggering 500-day supply. This little EV hasn't sparked much interest. One major hurdle? Its $34,000 price tag. For the same money, buyers can get larger EVs with better range and more features. Speaking of range, the 500 electric lags far behind competitors, with many offering over 300 miles per charge. Add Fiat's shaky reliability record in the US, and you have a recipe for low consumer confidence. Despite significant discounts, potential buyers still hesitate, seeing the Fiat 500 electric as more of a novelty than a practical option. As one prospective buyer bluntly put it, "It feels like a toy car, and for $34,000, I'd rather get something more substantial." Chrysler Pacifica. Once the ultimate family hauler, the Chrysler Pacifica now struggles to stay relevant. With over 11,000 unsold 2024 models gathering dust on dealership lots, this minivan faces an uphill battle in a world captivated by SUVs and crossovers. Despite its spacious interior and practical features, the Pacifica suffers from the soccer mom stigma, a label many buyers want to avoid. SUVs, with their stylish designs and adventurous appeal, have overtaken the minivan in popularity. Even with dealers slashing prices and throwing in extra incentives, the Pacifica feels like a relic of a bygone era. However, for those willing to look past trends, the Pacifica offers significant value. The question remains, can this minivan regain its footing in an SUV-dominated market? Ram 1500. The Ram 1500, once a stalwart in the full-size truck segment, is facing an unexpected inventory crisis. Dealership lots are overflowing with unsold units as overproduction meets dwindling demand. Rising fuel costs and high interest rates have made full-size trucks less appealing, even to loyal buyers. While the Ram 1500 remains a powerful and capable truck, its cost of ownership is now a significant deterrent. Buyers are increasingly considering smaller, more fuel-efficient options. In response, dealers are offering massive discounts, 0% financing, and extended warranties. For those in need of a rugged workhorse, these incentives present an opportunity. But the Ram's struggles highlight a broader challenge for full-size trucks. Are they losing their dominance to more versatile SUVs? Ford Edge. Once a family favorite, the Ford Edge is now finding itself edged out of the midsize SUV market. Oversupply of the 2024 model underscores its declining appeal, as competitors like the Toyota Highlander and Hyundai Santa Fe surge ahead with modern designs and advanced tech. The Edge's aging design feels out of step with what today's buyers want. While Ford is offering deep discounts and attractive lease deals, it's clear the Edge needs more than price cuts to stay competitive. The bigger question, can it adapt to meet the ever-evolving demands of the SUV market? Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu, a staple of the sedan world, is struggling to keep pace in an SUV-driven landscape. As buyers flock to crossovers offering more versatility, the Malibu feels increasingly outdated. While functional and comfortable, the Malibu lacks the innovation and excitement of rivals like the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry. Aggressive discounts have helped move some units, but the sedan's appeal continues to wane. The Malibu's challenges reflect the larger decline of sedans in general, a trend that raises questions about their place in an SUV-dominated future. Toyota Avalon. The Toyota Avalon, once synonymous with luxury and reliability, is also feeling the pressure. Its spacious interior and premium features are no longer enough to sway buyers away from SUVs, which now offer similar comfort with added versatility. At its higher price point, the Avalon struggles to compete with SUVs that promise more bang for the buck. Generous incentives from Toyota aim to clear out unsold inventory, but they also highlight the difficulties sedans face in today's market. For buyers, it's a chance to snag a great deal on a premium sedan. For automakers, it's a wake-up call to rethink the future of sedans in an ever-changing industry. As the automotive landscape continues to shift, it's clear that even the most iconic models aren't immune to changing consumer preferences. From compact sedans to full-size trucks, the challenges facing these vehicles highlight the industry's constant evolution. But for savvy buyers, these struggles translate into incredible deals. What do you think? Is it worth picking up one of these underdogs at a discount, or would you rather stick with the trends? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more insights into the ever-changing world of cars.